One owner car guy, oneownercarguy.com. This video is about not this car. It's about a Cougar, an 86 Cougar, a really nice one. I had a couple parts of this video that the camera started doing something weird. So there's about 30 seconds in here where it kind of fades out, in and out. So sorry about that, please bear with me. What I got here for you today is a 1986 Mercury Cougar XR7, and it's a custom convertible from Custom Coach Company. Now they only made about 83 of these. I'm gonna dump some other information in right here and my walk around because I don't have the book with me, and I want you to hear about what the car is. So I think those are Marshalls or Marshalls, not sure, but real cool factory lights and stuff. I mean aftermarket for the factory for their little coach thing. Grill, everything, paint, beautiful, it's like a burgundy metallic. Now my shadow's in it again. I'm gonna go down the sides and tell you what, besides the one dent, I don't see any dings. There's gotta be a door ding or something. Just not seeing it. So it's got this. The guy was older, 90s or something, with dementia or something like that, and kind of rubbed it up against the side of something. Didn't break the paint at all. Kind of amazing, actually. Got the old school pinstripe on it, and this thing had to be kept in a garage or something because the pinstripes aren't even fading off yet, and usually they go. So real clean. And that's that. It could have had a paint. I believe it had a paint job at some point, but it probably made the recall and got the Ford paint job because they did recall this kind of paint on this stuff. Beautiful emblem. There's your Carcraft emblem. And the back of these things are kind of pretty, and they look so much nicer without the roof for some reason. Underneath this car is beautiful. I'll show you into the front too. I'm not seeing any dings, which is crazy, but let's just say there's a ding here. There's a bug on there. Yeah, it's clean. Very clean. Oh, I found a problem. Little chipped paint right there. And that's about it. Windshield's in good shape. I don't think I see any chips in it. Super smooth on the paint and everything. The convertible top works and all that. I'll get pictures with it down. I mean up. It's got a book with it. It tells about the guy that owned it and how he ordered it. And then it tells all about how many of these there are and a bunch of unique information. I think this car is right here. He's actually online on this site, Cool Cats or what have you. So that's pretty cool. And with that, I'm gonna clip this off and get some video of it. I'll do a test drive and I'll get the inside, and I'll wait for this beautiful sunset to come down and get some pictures of it a little bit darker out. We'll be right back. It's just a super clean car, in and out, under, over, everywhere. Just clean. All the original stickers still on the front. There's no clutch on the AC compressor, so it might just need a new compressor or a rebuild, or we haven't looked into that. There's the turbo. Really nice car. And there is the emissions thing inside of here. Kind of cool. Most of these things are long gone. But that's the motor. Much sundown. And it does have a nice glow to it in this type of a light. Car looks good in the bright, looks good in the night. So I'll do a quick walk around here, show it to you in this lighting to where you can see that little damage in a different light. And it's a small damage, I don't know, but I'd actually cut into it and try and fix it. I mean, it's hardly noticeable. Well, I mean, obviously you can notice it, but it looks okay. And the rest of the car is just so clean. I like that little light right up on top of the trunk there. Kind of cool. Had to be added by the Coachcraft or whatever, Carcraft. But cool. That's around. Let's look at the inside now. And like I say, there's a little book here all about it. It says that these kind of seats were not available in this car. And they're the kind he wanted. I guess being the Ford dealer, you'd know what you want too. But So, there's that. I'm going to get rid of this key here. Seats are absolutely gorgeous. And they're lumbar. They go in on the sides and everything. There's no rips or tears. They're in great shape. Been out here in the dust with the top down. Back seat, look at that, man. Just great work on the interior. A little bit of sand for me taking my kid down to the store. Beautiful. And great shape, no wear. That was coming off there. There we go. The only thing on is a little dirt from us being out here in this dirt lot. Tracking dust in it, but super clean. And little console, they even have the, oh wait, there you go. Carcraft Company thing for the top. And I'll let you watch that go up. I'm gonna open the trunk. It's got a boot. We've got it right over there by the scrambler. It's a maroon boot kind of that matches this. 2 keys. Kind of cool. The one says turbo. And this thing runs great. So, everything you need and it's supposed to be is back here. Well, as the tools. Yeah, the jack. Great shape. And the boot will be in here. When you receive the car, gotta shut the trunk a little hard. Okay, let's look in here. And I did mention these tires are dry rotten. They're gonna need to be replaced. Door panels, everything, just great condition. Yeah, upper lights or whatever. I think that's been, those had to have been upgraded. Interesting. The seat, same thing. Okay, I will do some more video of, oh, look at this though. This is starting to wear off the color. And I want to make sure and show you everything. That's pretty much it. What is that? There's a little mark in the panel there. Okay, that's that. I will go for a test drive, show you all the options inside, call it a day. We'll get the top up and get some more pictures. I think it's pretty much everything it came with. That's the one that's custom from Coachcraft. And there's this one that has all the stories and all that in it. Wish I had another copy of that. So, that's that. Oh, and that reminded me, in the door tag here, there is a thing right here. And I think it says what number it is. Yeah, there's a serial number right there. So, kind of cool stuff, man. It's a nice car. But I do have it with the top up now. And my camera seems to be doing something weird. I'm gonna have to really check this out. Anyways, this is with the top up. Sure is a clean car. Whenever they did that, there is a tiny, really hard to see. You can only see it at a certain angle. There's a little mark there. Not a mark in the paint. Like a little, almost, I don't know. It definitely, something ran along it. I don't know if the old boy went along his garage post or what. I know what you're gonna run into doing it as many ways. I'm on my second day of trying to film this thing now. And basically, the car is such a bright, odd color of red that my camera keeps not focusing. And I left a little bit of it in at the beginning to where you could see what I mean, I guess. But basically, it's hard to focus on. So I had to cut some of it out, and I'm trying to make sure and remember what to say. And one thing about the car is the little old guy that owned it, ordered it, the Ford dealer. He was a Ford dealer in Havre, Montana. And he ordered the seats are custom luxury cloth or something. I don't know what they call it. It's in the book, and I might have said it during the video. But, yeah, cool car. This is with the top up. We're going to go for a test drive and check that out. And that's about it. Nathan, 406-546-8748. I remembered I didn't show you the dash. Look at this, man. The grills are still good. What a tight dash. Interior of the console. Everything in this is so nice. It's pathetic. The tires are dry rotted because it's just been sitting for so long. Didn't really drive it much. Really rare car. They made 89 of these. It's a 1986 Mercury Cougar XR7 turbo convertible. Great shape. This thing has been so well taken care of. The Ford dealer in Havre, Montana, custom ordered this thing, and I guess, sorry about my shadow, I guess the luxury cloth seats were not available in these cars. And he called up the factory and custom ordered it like that. That sun is playing hell with my lens. Sorry about that. These have been taped. Let's tape the inside too. Seats are just gorgeous, man. I'm gonna go out here and take a test drive. 60,000 miles on it. Starts up like right now. Low fuel. I'm not gonna go very far. All the options and everything. Everything blows, but like I say, the what was I gonna say? The the clutch on the air compressor is a little gummed up. Okay, or it's not there. So I think it's just gonna require a new compressor. This window, I believe it's got a stick in it or something for a bad regulator. It still had the smoker's windows, if you will, but it ain't never been smoked in as far as I can tell. It's in good shape. These work. Just got to push them good and proper. The rear windows come down. That one there's a little slow. This one works, and the driver just does nothing. With that, I'm going to take you right down the road here. I think there was a wreck. No, just a slow-moving guy. Downshift, upshift, does it all. That's 55 right there. I'm gonna pull off and go back around because I forgot a plate. It drives steady and smooth. Shift's good, brake's good, corner's nice. This guy's gonna block up the whole road here. It's fun here in the little, you can see the turbo gauge, the amount of boost. And it does zippy zip down the road, man. It is a nice little car. Gets down and goes. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you back at the place here. Center console and everything. Got cassette tapes in here. Hits of the 60s, I think. Yeah, 59, 60, 63. Who's that? Country Showdown. I don't know. 63. It comes with it, though. And the radio works. You get equalizer. And, geez, clock works. That's all I can say about this thing. Premium sound. Even the dinger works. Look around. That's everything on this car. I don't think I missed anything. You can give me a call anytime, Nathan. 406-546-8748. Other than that, there should be about close to 100 pictures of it on my website, oneownercarguy.com. Lots of other classics for sale. In fact, I got a nice little red LeBaron coming up. It's also a convertible. I think it's a last year model, if I'm not mistaken. The LeBaron is right up there. I'll let you see it before we cash out here. That's that. So, thanks for watching. Have a great day or night, whatever it is, wherever you are. We'll talk to you.